In this video, I will show you how to keep header only just a first page and remove from other pages. So easy and quick way to do this setting. Open your Microsoft Word document. Now insert and header. Select any type of header. Now type your header text. Make it center and click in document area. Now create your second page or create your data. So we can see header is appear in all pages. So to keep only first page, click on view and click on side by side and thumbnail view. Now click on this header area. Once you double click, so these settings will appear. Now check this box, different first page. Give the first page a different header and footer from the rest of your document. Now copy, just only paste in first header. So this way you can keep your header in only first page and rest of pages will be see without header text like this. So thanks for watching.